guys, today we are in Jiangmen, Guangdong, trying a local specialty, winter melon and duck soup, something you can only find here. The place itself is simple, but it's a well-known farmhouse-style restaurant in Jiangmen. The restaurant's signature dish is written on a huge sign right at the entrance. The restaurant is divided into two parts. At the entrance is a courtyard with rows of stoves, specifically for cooking the winter melon and duck soup. On the right is the main indoor dining area. We arrived late, but if all the stoves were cooking at once, it must be quite inside. I heard this dish exists only in Guangdong. Cooked inside a whole winter melon, perfect for cold weather. They hollow out the melon, add ginger, mushrooms, tangerine peel, clams, duck, and barley. Then it's slow cooked with broth. But here's the catch. You have to book it in advance. I love how they still use the traditional handwritten menu. Since we pre-ordered the winter melon soup, it came out pretty quickly. But we were still surprised by how huge the melon was. The moment the auntie opened the lid, the warmth and aroma hit us. The hot winter melon keeps the soup warm, infusing its fresh aroma. The duck, tender and full parts.
强在哪里？我觉得它这个汤的精华在这个蘑菇上面。这个花菇味道应该是非常好的花菇，而且是干花菇，不然的话这个汤里面蘑菇的味道不会这么重。再有一个，这个鸭汤通常就是鸭的，通常跟白菜，对吧？咱们吃北京炒鸭的时候，这豆腐跟白菜跟鸭汤一起煮，但是这边呢就是冬瓜一起煮。冬瓜本身就是一个比较温和的食物，然后鸭子呢本身也是这个比较中性的食物，所以两个炖在一起就非常的润。中国话叫润。
The melon is soft, so it's basically edible. This soup is packed with nutrients. Super satisfying. They even use a small piece of winter melon to stabilize the big melon pot. Their mud roasted chicken is the second most popular dish here and a famous Cantonese dish. They season the chicken, wrap it in foil, and bury it in hot mud to roast it.
算是盐焗鸡跟正常的，对吧？中国的盐焗鸡不太一样。正常中国盐焗鸡这皮会是硬的，非常脆，但它这是软的，非常有弹性，非常有弹性。对，所以它这个做法就跟它这个广东当地的这个白切鸡非常像，而且吃起来也非常的。
Next up is my favorite vegetable dish, soup-cooked mulberry leaves. It's a light dish with slim pork and century egg crumbles for extra flavor. The texture is crispy yet tender, perfectly soaking up the soup's flavor.
咸鸭蛋然后皮蛋放到一起去煮。这个做法其实也是借鉴中国的一个传统做法。这个蛋黄就比较咸鲜的味道，就直接跟这个桑叶浸到了一起，所以导致这个桑叶吃起来会咸鸭蛋黄的味道。
The total cost of the meal was 204 RMB, and we were so full. We even had half of the winter melon soup left over, so 3 dishes are plenty for 3 people to share. I really enjoyed the flavors of this meal, made me feel so cozy. Would you be up for trying something like this? Let me know in the comments.